Yes, Unit 4 self-study exercise. You all actually have your answers at the back of the book, but still I'm giving you answers here. You can just say, fill in the blanks using appropriate prepositions. First one is, the oil spill in the day has been set alight to burn off. OFF, off मतलब cut off करना, किसी चीज़ को बंद करना. Of the oil. The fire burnt down the National Museum. When I am in Chicago, I will look him up. I will look him up मतलब I will search for him, I will meet him. Fourth one, the police are looking into the case. Police is taken as a plural noun. Then fifth one, the burglar broke in the house. Broke in मतलब entered. Broke in the house while I was at the movie. Sixth one, the preacher broke off in the middle of his speech. Broke off मतलब वो नहीं कर पाया. He was not able to continue. If you come across my purse, please give it to me. Come across मतलब if you see it. Eighth one, how did you come by this rare photograph? Come by मतलब how did you find? Ninth one, he dropped out of school last year. Dropped out मतलब he left out the school. Tenth one, please try to drop in when you come to Delhi. Drop in means here, please come and meet me. 11th, the thief got off safely. 12th, get up early and go for a walk daily. 13th, please hold on for a movement. Hold on matlab please just be there. After that I'll come to you. I will call my mother. Wait for some time. 14th, there was an accident on the highway and the traffic held me up. Held me up matlab I was stuck in the traffic. 15th, she started off by introducing herself. 16th, the company started out with just 5 employees. Started out matlab it came into existence. 17th, we need 2 more players to make up. Make up matlab to have the team, to make up the team. 18th, I almost need a magnifying glass to make out. To make out matlab to find out what Anish has written. 19th, we will have to put off our plans for a year. 20th, I won't put up with your irregular working habits. Put up means I will not bear up. After this, you can come to the next page. We are having the questions. See, we have specimen paper 4 and we are going to start with question number 3. Question number 3, first question is, War and Peace is the longest book that I have ever read. Answer is, no other book that I have read is longer than War and Peace. No other book that I have read is longer than War and Peace. Then second question is, whatever he said in the meeting is false. Then answer is, there is no truth. There is no truth in whatever he said in the meeting. Third, it was difficult task but it brought him the much needed recognition. Then the answer can be, the task was difficult but it brought him the much needed recognition. Question answer is already there in the question, you can just see it. Then fourth one, I never expected that he would stand first in the class. B. Answer, little did I expect him to stand first in the class. Then fifth one, she is writing down his address so as not to forget it. Answer can be, she is writing down his address lest she should forget it. She is writing down his address lest she should forget it. The next one, sixth one, I regret not buying that house. Answer is, I wish I had brought that house. Already it is given in the book. Then you can see seventh one, in spite of cold weather, many parents were present. The cold weather, answer can be, the cold weather did not restricted many parents to come in. Then next one is, This my school is most progressive institution in our area. No other institution in our area is as progressive as my school. No other institution in our area is as progressive as my school. Ninth one. On the arrival of the priest, the ceremonies will start. The ceremonies will start as soon as the priest arrives. The ceremonies will start as soon as the priest arrives. Then your next question and the last question of this type. The criticism of the principal was unjustified. There was no justification. There was no justification for the criticism of the principal. For the criticism of the principal. Then after completing this one, we come to the B part. This is fill in each blank with a suitable word. Means phrasal verbs we have to fill in. First one you can see, they have broken off their engagement. They have broken off their engagement. Second one, demonstrations broke through the police cordon. Third one, more than 50,000 fans packed into the stadium. Packed into the stadium means they are arranged in the stadium. Next one, we packed off the summer clothes. We packed off means we have kept aside. Fifth one, he put aside all ideas of being a professor. Sixth one, put down your name on the sheet of paper. Put down your name on the sheet of paper. Seventh one, the old man was run over by a bus. Eighth one, the battery of our car needs recharging. It has run down. It has run down. Ninth, the present situation calls for prompt action by the government. Calls for matlab it needs. 10th one, my friend called on me yesterday. Called on means she or he just phoned me or she or he just contacted me. Called on me yesterday. Now after this, you are having the other part of the question, that is, you know this thing very well. There is a paragraph. In this paragraph you have to fill according to appropriate form of the verbs. We have to fill it according to appropriate form of the verbs. So you can see the question is, Pratiksha has a firm grip on the wheel, not of a car but that of bus. She is the only woman who navigates. Answer will be navigates. A best bus on Mumbai's pothole ridden roads. Then second one is have. In place of have you will write down having. Having got a license for it. It is something that I wanted. Wanted, or we can just have, because we have used the form of have. So we can use here also have been wanting. Have been wanting to master for the last 6 years. Grins the recent mechanical engineering graduate. Next. But my love for heavy vehicles is not new. I started with bikes, then larger cars, and now I can drive buses and trucks. And yes, it feels good. It feels good. Next one. I if you are giving preference to have, then have completed. If you are giving simple past tense preference, then you will use completed. I have completed, or I completed my degree in mechanical engineering last month and was planning to become an RTO officer. For that I needed a license. I needed a license in heavy vehicles as it is a compulsory. Since I had been wanting to learn driving or to drive a bus. It was perfect. In fact, I want to drive various vehicles on the road. I started with my uncle's bike when I was in grade 8. To his surprise, I picked up riding in 2 days. See, In unit 4 also we have completed most of the exercises. I have given you explanation. I have given even you the answers of the questions. Now it is your work to go through the chapter and complete these exercises. One thing. Second thing is, see, you are having the passage. Question number 4. Passage you will read. You will go through this passage twice or thrice minimum, 2 times minimum, and after that you have to write down the answers. For answers, I'll be sending you the answers so that you will not have any confusion, so that there will be no problem related to the answers. I'll send you the answers of the passage in the clicking in the photograph form, and you can note down the answers and you can complete that particular work of this particular chapter also. With this, our unit 4, total unit 4 are going to be completed in Total English book.